So, the last 72 hours, I've been up writing my paper. So, the update I have is between me and finishing up the program, there are 4 chapters. There are 4 chapters that are between me and finishing up the program. So, after the last 72 hours, I feel like, just come out here and have some fun, just kind of relax, enjoy the time with my family, and in Adelanto, California, where there's all kinds of, like vendors out here with good food, great people, and all. So we're out here just having fun with my family, and as you can see, there is food on the table. There's Chelsea.
Dude, Chelsea, let's go dance, Chelsea. Chelsea, let's go dance. Chelsea, let's go dance. Let's go dance. I want to dance. I want to dance.
There you go. We'll come back to you later. Have a good day.